A man was shot in the leg by unknown miscreants who allegedly kidnapped him near Vishal Law College at 𝗙𝗓𝗡𝗓 in Imphal West District late last night. The injured person who was shot in his right leg has been identified as 𝗚𝗓𝗡𝗓𝗓 of 𝗙𝗓𝗡𝗓𝗡. He said the unknown miscreants brought him there and shot him after a commotion erupted over pelting of stones at the vehicle. The miscreants were traveling around 2 past midnight. People of 𝗙𝗓𝗡𝗓 found the injured man this morning. It is suspected that the incident could be an act of some intoxicated persons. A team of Lumphel police has taken the injured to the hospital. In the wake of the incident, 𝗙𝗓𝗡𝗓 Students' Welfare has banned the use and sale of any form of intoxicants in 𝗙𝗓𝗡𝗓 area.
Ngasi 𝗙𝗓𝗡𝗓 manilakay Vishal Law College maraka miyoy ma masak khangdo miyoy kharna nomai ka pamiwa si matungda amona tawbiganu sum badnam leiba thabasi manilakay amadi 𝗙𝗓𝗡𝗓 khungusda leiba phang area punamukta tawbiganu haina Students' Welfare Organization maikaydi amadi ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯅꯤꯁꯥꯕꯟ ꯏꯃꯥꯏꯕꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯅꯣꯂꯨꯛꯅ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯇꯝꯐꯒꯩ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯃꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯥꯕꯒ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯛꯐꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯕꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯅꯤꯁꯥ ꯆꯥꯐꯝ ꯌꯨ ꯊꯛꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯎꯊꯤ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯕꯟ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯏꯕꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯐꯕꯇꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯅꯁꯥ ꯅꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯔꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯎꯊꯤ amadi war pham nate